Good morning, guys. So we are in Sunshine Coast in Kenilworth. We left Ballenberg this morning and the weather was beautiful this morning at 6, and now it's getting worse and worse. Worse and worse. So yeah, let's see what we can manage to do today.
But what are you having?
They.
No.
They're mine. Both of them. Come back here. Give the donuts back.
No.
See.
No. I'll show you the trick. Everyone knows this. You're not a proper Australian unless you know this. You get your coffee. You get your Tim Tam. Oh, my Tim Tam squashed on there. This will be your Tim Tam. Bite the top off, and you bite the bottom off. And then you use it as a straw in your coffee. And it's delicious.
You just got diabetes.
Yep. Worth it.
Can you guys hear this? There's the sound of our day being ruined.
So we're just chilling out because it's raining and there's not much for us to do in the rain. Can't go to Brisbane because the hotel doesn't open yet. Can't do anything outside because obviously it's raining and storming. Probably shouldn't be driving in the rain. What else can't we do?
We can't eat because we just ate a 2-kilo donut.
And we don't want to get diabetes.
Yeah.
So now we're waiting.
Well, we were planning to go to the cheese factory, but you know, later in the day, we just had the donut 5 minutes ago, so yeah, I don't really feel like having lunch right now. So yeah,
So now we wait. So I don't know if you can tell, but the rain stopped, and now we're gonna go check out some other places.
Where?
I'm not telling until we get there.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines.
Guys, we are walking to the Kondalilla Falls. Kondalilla? Yeah.
Step. Steps.
Step back, thank you. It's so empty, so silent. Just a couple of backpackers here.
So we just passed the picnic area. That was the little falls that you've just seen. Apparently there's some bigger falls about 1 kilometre ahead, so we're going to go check that out. Aren't we?
Yeah. That is cool.
You can hear it.
Yeah.
Let's pull the leech off my leg. It was only a little leech, but it was on my ankle.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
It was fun. I'm gonna name him Larry.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here but I keep touching my pants, looking at my ankle because I'm scared that I have something on me. Yuck. And we made it back to the car. I'm tired. I was so thirsty. Oh, a kookaburra. And he's eating something.
Cheese Factory?
Sure. What's the time?
20 past 1.
It's not time. Let's get some cheese. Alright, we just got at the Maleny Cheese Factory. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, we just had lunch at the cheese factory. It was very good. They ran out of everything. I tried to order a potato raclette and they were out of potatoes. I tried to order a bacon wrap and they were out of bacon. But I ended up having this baked brie with honey. It was very, very good. So yeah, we might be get a glass of wine. It's very small. So yeah, definitely not what I was expecting, and there is a very strong cheese smell, so if you are sensitive to the dairy smell, probably not the place for you. But there are some spots outside where you can eat as well. But yeah, today the weather was a bit bad.
I'm in food coma, so
Yeah, in food coma. You
Yeah.
need to drive.
that'll be fine. I'll have a sleep when I'm driving.
No! I feel like dying today. Alright. Want to sign off?
Yep, sure. We'll see you in the next one. I don't know. How do we sign this off?
Like, subscribe.
Oh, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe and a share and everything else. And make sure you watch it and make sure you watch the next one and the one after that and the one after that. And just keep watching them all.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
See you, bye.